Hey, what's up guys? Tyler with American Wrap Company. Today is April 2nd, 2022. We were out at Streets of Willow running counterclockwise direction with JMP Autowerkz.
Hey guys, Tyler with American Wrap Company. So just got back from the track day over the weekend. I did my talking bit and screwed the GoPro footage up, recorded in time lapse, and just had a whole freaking blooper reel of bloopers trying to sit here in the shop and film it. I was really hoping to break under one. Take 3, because I really need to focus on, and Matt interrupts. Take 5. JMP Autowerkz throws a killer event. Super happy with the amount of run groups. I run it advanced, bunch of quick drivers, fun competition. Good day. Best time I was able to squeak out of the day was a 122. I was really hoping for a 120 or a 119, but 122 is still a new PB for me. So I'm happy with that. Areas I need to still improve on are definitely my braking zones and really braking at the same spot consistently lap after lap. It's one of the hardest things about driving track in a car is really hitting your marks and being perfect every single lap to string together good times or really start shaving times down. We'll post the full video of my hot lap at the end of this video or somewhere in this video. If you guys would do us a huge favor, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out with the algorithm. We'd really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoy our videos. We're really trying hard to bring you guys cool and exciting new content and kind of just show you guys that we live and breathe the car culture. So thanks for watching. We'll be going to Buttonwillow this Friday, hoping to join the Sub 2 Club. We'll see. Check you guys on the next one. Later.